The boys are good. We are back again. This time around, we are getting ready for our 29th and 30th of August conference.
Yeah.
Come this August, come and see what we call Igbo Unification Movement in conjunction with Indian Asobia. Igbo Zari Igbo.
Igbo Asobia.
Igbo, all something.
Igbo both in Kalachasega. I'm telling you, now Lachana.
Get ready when them support us financially. Seriously, we don't need this event to fail. It is based on you that we make it to succeed.
Yeah.
Support us. We need financial support. Contact any of us. Then you can DM us to get the bank account where you pay in. We have someone, yes, support us. But we love you all.
We love you.
Prepare.
I love you. Igbo, I love you.
Nah, don't mind this boy.
I love all Igbo.
Don't mind this boy. I want Igbo hate.
I'm tired the person.
The
person will love me back.
Onye ti ndị Igbo na-claim Bini.
Ọ bụ na Igbo and Igbo isi n'Igbo ebini awụ. M ga-ese kpọpụta ya.
Igbo
bụ whether you like it or not.